Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And it's day
10.
10. Yeah, brain fog. Day 10. Senior brain. Yeah. Day 10 of our fashion jewelry advent calendar. Woo. Yes, and we both think it's going to be a spacer today, right? Mm-hmm. All right, because I don't remember from day to day. Let's see. Let's see if I can be a little neater than I have been. I'm trying. She's insisting that I be neat. Ooh. Oh, that was fun. We both said that. Ooh. Guys, there is going to be a cat fight.
That is a bulky spacer.
But it's pretty. Take a look. Look at that. That is a bulky spacer.
It's got hearts on the sides of it.
Oh.
You know, for being Christmas, it's got a lot of hearts.
Well, Christmas is all about love. Right?
No, it's all about presents.
No, it's about love. The best gift you can give. I'm going to give you an empty box with a note in it that says, "This is filled with love." What do y'all think?
Sure.
Well, you know, if we know Mr. and Mrs. Howell, you know, from the Gilligan show, then, you know, they could give us a 5-pound box of assorted bills. But we don't. And they won't. So I guess you'll have to make do with love. Love is better than money or presents.
I'll take chocolate.
She'll take chocolate. That means I don't have to love her very much. I can just give her chocolate. I'll still love her.
It was a bit rude.
I'm sorry?
That was a bit rude.
It was rude? So was I rude? Or was she rude? That she didn't want my love, my box of love.
Chocolate is made with love.
Chocolate is made with love.
Yeah, remember kisses.
Kisses.
And
all right.
Hugs.
And hugs. Well, oh, mwah. There, I've given you a hello. I like this kid, you know?
I sure hope you do.
I do.
This is going on long enough.
It is. Okay. Okay, so we got the blue spacer. What do you think we're going to have tomorrow?
Charm.
I think I agree with her this time. Charm. So tomorrow is 11. Mm-hmm. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to come back. Like, subscribe. What else?
And come back.
Click the bell. Get notified when we put up other videos.
And come back.
And come back. Come on, y'all. Come on down. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Bye.